Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best outdoor fire pit available, the TIKI 20-inch smokeless social fire pit. If you're looking to add warmth, ambiance, and style to your backyard, patio, or camping adventures, this fire pit might just be the perfect fit for you. Right off the bat, the TIKI fire pit stands out because of its patented internal airflow system. This innovative design drastically reduces smoke and ash, making your bonfire experience more enjoyable and hassle-free. No more battling with smoke blowing into your face or dealing with messy ash cleanups. The smokeless feature really transforms outdoor fires into a relaxing and social experience. Built with durability in mind, this fire pit is made from 16-gauge stainless steel coated with a sleek black powder finish. This means it's sturdy enough to withstand various weather conditions and keep looking great season after season. The materials used also ensure longevity, so you won't have to worry about replacing it anytime soon. One of the highlights is its portability. Weighing in at just 32 pounds and measuring 25.5 inches in diameter and height, it's compact enough to take on camping trips, beach outings, or even move around your patio with ease. Plus, it's designed to burn traditional firewood or TIKI's own wood packs, giving you options depending on your preference. The fire pit comes with a convenient removable ash base, which simplifies cleaning up after your fire. Instead of scrubbing or scooping ash from the bottom, you can just remove the base and dispose of the ash with minimal effort, saving you time and energy. Heat-wise, this fire pit doesn't disappoint. It delivers a robust flame with a heat radius of about 4 feet, providing real warmth on those cool nights. Whether you're hosting a gathering with friends or just enjoying a quiet evening outdoors, the TIKI fire pit is up to the task. Another thoughtful inclusion is the sturdy stand that easily attaches to the fire pit, elevating it and providing stability on various surfaces. It also comes with a durable cloth cover to protect the fire pit from the elements when it's not in use, ensuring it stays clean and ready for your next fire. For those who want to enhance their fire pit experience, TIKI offers additional accessories like heat deflectors, screens, and pokers. These can add safety and convenience, making it easier to manage your fire and keep everyone comfortable. Overall, the TIKI 20-inch smokeless social fire pit is a modern, well-built, and practical choice for anyone who loves outdoor fires but wants to avoid the common downsides of smoke and ash. Its combination of design, durability, and portability makes it a versatile addition to any outdoor space. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're thinking about upgrading your outdoor fire experience, the TIKI Smokeless Social Fire Pit is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.